I just picked up this Yamaha RX1 2005. The previous owner let the sliders wear down too far, and it wore out the screw that holds the sliders in place, and the slider actually got pulled back and wrapped. Look at this thing, I cut it in half to get it out. Wrapped it right around the rear idle wheel. Now that screw's broken off in there. This one is also broken off in here, and even worse is my screw extractor broke off inside the screw. Anyway, new plan. I'm gonna drill new holes through, and see better on this side. New holes right through, and then I'm gonna drill a hole this way, and then kind of like square it out. And I'm gonna put a 1/4-20 bolt in here, and then run that through, and that'll hold it in place better than just the thread inside this aluminum, which always seemed to seize together. So I drilled a hole just in front of the original broken screw, and then I've drilled a hole this way. Now this 1/4-20 screw fits right in, and now I just have to square off this hole. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm getting pretty close, squaring out these edges. You can see that it's gonna be the same shape. If I get my fat fingers in here, once I get this just a little bit bigger, this guy should slide right in there. And you can see there's the shape I'm going for. And there's kind of where I'm at. I forgot to shoot video, but I got this one done, and you can see over there the other one's done, and the new sliders are on, and I'm just going about reinstalling it back inside the track.